E wechego eko mag ohala en ni duka maduong' mar Jumia koro ogolo ripot mokwongo ma bende nyiso kaka gisebedo kaka giuso online kata kokalo e yor mbui e pinje mag Afrika. Mano ero Jumia Africa E-commerce Index 2021. Koloso e kinde golo ripot makamano ero, CEO mar Jumia mano ero migosi Massimiliano Spalazzi owacho ni nyaka ne tuo mar COVID-19 muochie e pinjego eko mag Afrika, Jumia online osekonyo mokalo jouso, jonyiepo kanyakla kod jopiny, ka bende johala mathoth bende koro sani endi oseriwore kendo tiyo kod Jumia mar dhi nyime kod timo ohala magi kendo dongo ohandgigo eko e yo makare.
We're processing 35% of all of the volume that's going on through Jumia today through Jumia Pay already. So in terms of transaction volume processing through Jumia Pay, that makes Jumia Pay one of the biggest, payment processors on the continent already today. And 4 million people have downloaded the Jumia Pay app to pay their bills, to top up their phones, to access games and services across the continent already. That also makes Jumia Pay one of the biggest digital lifestyle apps on the continent. So I think one reflection is just how significant already Jumia Pay is as a fintech provider on the continent, and there is so far to go. We're so excited about the potential that Jumia Pay has in the continent and the value that it can bring to consumers. The second, I think, really exciting